TinkerCAD tips. I've been working on more of these logos and I ran into a slight issue with the ping to SVG site, and I wanted to show you that issue and the solution that I found for it. So let's go over here to Google, and I had found this Lego logo, that's a hard thing to say, and clicked on it here, opened it up. I did a right click, save image as, and I saved that logo. And then I came over here to ping to SVG, just like we were showing in the last couple of days. I'm going to click on choose a file, and I selected that image. And when it comes in here, we know that there's only 4 colors here: black, red, yellow, and white. So I'm going to reduce this to 4. And it takes a second, but look at the colors here that it came up with. There's this kind of whitish yellow, black, red, and this weird purple. And those aren't the colors that we want. In fact, if I click on generate, this is what we get. It results in a vector image where the white and the yellow aren't separated. And if we go down here and look at the one that's been split up by color, again, we have this weird purplish color. But this is what I hit upon. If you come up here into the palette, you can select the colors for these palettes. You first click in one of these boxes, and I'm going to click on this first one here. I'm going to go ahead and make that, let's say that's the black. The next one I'll make red. I'll click in this one, I'll make it the yellow. You see I get the little eyedropper symbol there? Click on that. So now we have black, red, yellow, white. I'm going to click on generate again. And now it gives us a properly colored vector image. Notice we have the right colors here. And if we scroll down to the part that's been split up, we have the black, red, yellow. And of course you can't see the white here because it's the same as my background color. But that's the fix for it. If you work with an image and it's not interpreting the right colors, you can click on these up here in this palette and set them by using this eyedropper to whatever color you want. We could even switch these around. Well, there you go. That's the TinkerCAD tip for today. As always, like, follow, and share. And if you have any questions about what I did here, drop me a comment.